By the end of the video, you will know about how to lose face fat if you are skinny. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common concern: how to lose face fat, especially if you're already skinny. While being lean overall is great, sometimes we want to refine specific areas like our face. So, let's get into some effective strategies. Firstly, hydration plays a crucial role. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and reduces bloating, which can contribute to a slimmer face appearance. Secondly, incorporating cardiovascular exercises into your routine can help burn overall body fat, including in your face. Think jogging, swimming, or cycling activities that get your heart rate up. Thirdly, facial exercises can tone and tighten the muscles in your face. Simple routines like jaw clenches, cheek lifts, and smiling widely can make a noticeable difference over time. And don't forget nutrition. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fat supports overall health and can contribute to a more defined facial structure. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Lastly, consistency is key. Adopt these habits into your daily routine and be patient. It takes time to see results, but they'll be worth it. That's it for today's video on how to lose face fat if you're skinny. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay committed to your goals. See you next time.